School. So, welcome back you all in today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn Is MR. Chapter number 9 is MR. Is MR means where do we use, what are is MR and where do we use is MR. So, let's open your grammar book, chapter number 9 is MR and begin with me. Is MR. The words is and are verbs. The words tell us what a person, animal or thing is. So these is and are verbs. ये क्या है, हमारे verbs हैं. तो ये verbs हमें बताते हैं कि what a person, animal or thing is. कि एक person क्या है, एक animal क्या है और एक thing क्या है. Right? Okay. Now, let's take an example here. Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is a good boy. Right? So, what is Rohan here? What is Rohan here? Rohan is a good boy. So here we have used is. यहाँ हमने is use किया है. तो is हमें क्या बता रहा है कि रोहन एक good boy है. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या बता रहा है is कि what a person is, कि person क्या है, वो एक person कैसा है, क्या है. रोहन एक good boy है. तो रोहन कैसा person है, good person है. Right? तो हमें ये बता रहा है कि कोई चीज person कैसी है, thing is, वो क्या है. Okay? Now, if we talk about animal, okay, giraffe is a elephant is the tallest animal, right? Elephant is the tallest animal. So here we have used is again. So elephant क्या है, tallest animal है. Clear? Okay. Thing. If we talk about thing, we can say that sugar is sweet. Sugar कैसी है? Sweet है. Sugar कैसी है? Sugar is sweet. So here again we have used is. तो हमें is MR बताते हैं कि कोई person, thing or animal कैसा है. If we talk about M, I am an athlete. मैं एक athlete हूँ. तो कैसा person है मैं? I am an athlete. Right? I am a doctor. मैं एक doctor हूँ. Right? They are teachers. वो teachers हैं. So is MR हमें क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि what a person, animal or thing is. Right? They are teachers. Okay. Is MR can be used as main verbs or verbs that help other verbs. तो is MR अभी तक हमने क्या यूज किया था कि ये main verb. जैसे यहाँ पे और कोई verb नहीं है. रोहन is a good boy. यहाँ पे आप और कोई verb देख रहे हो? No. रोहन is a name of a person. Good is an adjective. Good क्या है हमारा? Adjective है. Boy क्या है हमारा? Noun है. Right? So sugar is what? Noun. Is हमारा verb and sweet is a adjective. So it is used as a main verbs. ये main verb की तरह भी use होते हैं and other verbs की तरह भी use होते हैं. Other verbs means जो दूसरे verbs की help करते हैं. Clear? Okay. It's like I am happy. Right? So here I is the subject, happy is the adjective and I am is the main verb. यहाँ पर ये main verb की तरह use हुआ है. Right? I am. And children. Okay. I am happy. So here I is the subject, am is the verb, चूँकि हमारा main verb की तरह use हुए हैं is MR में, and happy is the adjective. Again here you are kind. So here R is what? Main verb की तरह हुए use. So you are kind. You is the subject, kind is the adjective. So you is the subject, right? And kind is an adjective. Now, as helping verbs. Now we'll discuss about how it is used as helping verbs. Here, she is studying. Children, what is the meaning of studying? Studying means पढ़ना. वो पढ़ रही है. So she is studying. So here, is has been used as a helping verb. is किसकी help कर रहा है? Studying में. Studying क्या है? Main verb. Right? Studying क्या है हमारा? Study क्या है? Verb. Main verb. So here is studying. Next, they are teasing others. So here teasing is what? Main verb. And are is helping. are क्या कर रहा है? Help कर रहा है कौन से verb की? Main verb teasing की. So they are teasing others. Clear? Okay. Now we'll discuss about where do we use is mr. Okay. Is mr. Right? Where do we use is mr? Right? Okay. Am. Am is used with I. Children, am is the only one which is used with I only. Right? I के साथ हमेशा am लगता है. I के साथ is नहीं लगता, are नहीं लगता. Right? Remember this. am सिर्फ I के साथ लगता है. Clear? Okay. Next. Is. Is used with he, she, it, everybody, anybody, somebody, and singular noun. Singular noun means when we talk about one single name. Single name की जब हम बात करते हैं, single person की बात करते हैं, single thing की बात करते हैं, animal की बात करते हैं, तो हम क्या use करते हैं? is. Right? When our subject, जब हमारा sentence जो begin होता है वो subject से begin होता है, तो जब हमारा subject singular होता है, one होता है, one person की बात होती है, then we use is. Clear? Okay. Now we come to the are. Are is used with the when our subject is beginning with we, you, they, and plural. We means हम, you means तुम लोग, they means वे लोग, right? And plural nouns. Plural noun means more than one. जब more than one people की बात होती है plural noun, तो we use are. Clear? Am is used with I, is used with single person, are is used with more than one person, one animal. Look at the examples here. I am a good singer. So here we have used am with the I. जहाँ भी I आएगा वहाँ पर आपका हमेशा am आएगा. जहाँ भी हम I की बात करेंगे वहाँ हम. But children remember, अगर यहाँ पे बोलते हैं रिया and I, जैसे हम बोलेंगे अगर पर यहाँ पे हमारे two subjects हो गए, रिया दो person की बात हो गई, रिया and I, तो I तो क्या लगेगा हमारा R लगेगा. Okay? Next. She is cleaning the room. Here, she is cleaning the room. We are talking about one as we have studied. He, she, it के साथ क्या लगेगा? Is. Right? Next is Mohan is watching. So Mohan क्या है? One person. One person है इसलिए हमने is लगाया है. Next, they are coloring pictures. So here they means what? वे लोग. Right? तो क्या कर रहे हैं वे लोग? They are coloring pictures. Coloring कर रहे हैं वो pictures की. Children are playing. Children क्या है? बहुत सारे बच्चे. So we have used are here. Children are playing. Clear? I hope this topic is clear to you. Let's do one exercise. Clear? This will be a homework even that you have to do it right. That will be a homework. Okay. Let's begin an exercise. Fill in the blanks with verbs is, am, are. So here you have to fill the blanks with the help of is, am, are. Means only is, am, are you have to fill in the blanks. आपको filling the blanks में is, am, are fill करना है. So let's begin. What you have learned in today's class. My brother dash 2 years old. What will come? Is, am, are. Okay, what will come? Is. Right? Is. Why is? Because we are talking about one person. I have told you, जब हम एक person की बात करते हैं, तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? Is. Right? So my brother is 2 years old. Clear? My brother यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही brother की बात है ना, मेरा brother, not brother only. किसकी बात हो रही है? Brother, one. Next, I dash the tallest boy in my class. Is, am, are. Am. Children, and why am? I have told you कि I के साथ हमेशा am लगता है. With I we always use am. I के साथ हमेशा am लगेगा. I am the tallest boy in my class. Right? Next. The dogs dash barking at the goat. The dogs dash barking at the goat. So yeah, what will come? Is MR. R. Why? Here we are talking about dogs. Here's how many dogs? Dogs, it is given dogs, right? So many dogs are there means more than one dog simply. यहाँ पे S लगा हुआ है dogs. So subject क्या हमारा? Plural. हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारे dogs की बात कर रहे हैं ना? We are not talking about one dog. The dog is right. We are talking about more than. तो यहाँ पे dogs है इसलिए हमारा क्या आएगा? R. राइट क्योंकि हम बहुत सारे डॉग्स की बात कर रहे हैं. सो द डॉग्स आर बार्किंग एट द गॉट. अगर यहाँ एस नहीं होता ओनली डॉग इट मीन्स वन डॉग तो हम क्या यूज करते इज. बट यहाँ पे डॉग्स है बहुत सारे हैं सो वी विल यूज आर. राइट ओके. नेक्स्ट. मोहित डैश माई फ्रेंड. इज एम आर. वेरी गुड. इज. राइट. Why? Because Mohit is one. हम यहाँ पे किस पर्सन की बात है? वन सिंगल नेम की बात कर रहे हैं. That's why we have used is here. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Note down this exercise in your notebook. Right? Okay. Thank you.